Very good morning, class 7. So class 7, in the previous video we have read about Indian expedition to Antarctica. We have read about the 3 stations, research stations. Today we will start why Antarctica a human free zone. So why Antarctica is called as human free zone, that we will read in today's topic. So let's start. So it may seem strange, but it is worth wondering exactly why out of all continents that human managed to occupy in prehistoric time, Antarctica strikes out like a sore thumb. So it is quite strange because all the continents which are discovered, they are being having some prehistoric time, they are having some of the archaeological evidence. But if we talk about Antarctica, this is like a sore thumb, means this is like a area which is quite isolated from everyone. So as the only strictly human free zone, so far there is absolutely no archaeological evidence of human habitation of Antarctica before early 20th century. So if you talk about Antarctica, so why it is called free zone, human free zone? Because no archaeological evidence, no proof of human habitation of Antarctica is there of before early 20th century. So as you all know why it is like so, one would think it is so because of extreme cold. So you can say that it is mostly because of the extreme cold condition. Antarctica's freezing climate and barren glacial coast, so it is having freezing climate, barren glacial coast, so nothing is grown because of the frozen grounds with no drop of fresh water to drink. So everywhere ice is there, everything is frozen there, so no one will get drinking water, and it is isolated. It is in the southern part, extremely southern part. So that's why, because it is extremely isolated from the world, it makes it impossible for normal life. So for normal life, for normal people, it is very impossible to survive in this place. Yet since the turn of 20th century, people have camped out at least for a part of the year somewhere on the continent. But since after 20th century, many of the people, they have camped out here. They have established their camp here for some parts of the year in some parts of the continent. If we talk about the oldest permanent base as defined by the Antarctic Treaty System, it is Argentina's Orca da Paz. So this is the oldest permanent base which is being defined by the Antarctica Treaty System. So in the south, Orkney Island, which is established on 22nd February 1904. So, and inhabited ever since World War II. There has been a constant increase in the number of bases present on the continent. So since the World War II, there has been constant increase. Lot of people, they are coming from different countries, and they are setting their base in the present situation in the continent. So this is what Antarctica, a human free zone. It is a human free zone because the condition is not suitable for living. So it is very difficult to survive in Antarctica. So that's all for today. So have a nice day.